What's up, YouTube? It's your boy XO, and today we're gonna be doing something, man. Sorry, I've been offline, man. I haven't really had nothing to record, man. But I believe today I'm gonna be sanding my 1978 Ford pickup. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna sand it, and I'm gonna show y'all. In case some of y'all don't know how to sand. It's gonna be like a little demonstration because I don't know what I'm doing. Like I'm very new to this. I have never worked on an old school like at all. So this is gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be a lot of mistakes and all that. Hopefully not a big mistakes. You know what I mean? But yeah, we gonna get into it. And what was I supposed to say? I don't know. I forgot. Anyway, man, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want more videos, man. Now let's get into it. All right, y'all. So I didn't get ready, man. Now I'm about to get to work. I need a haircut. So work, Pop? All right.
Sand this part right here. You just hold that paper like that. Make that when you get through, just wipe it off. Don't put it on the clothes because it ain't coming out.
All right. All right. All right, y'all. So I'm about to get into sanding this thing, and I gotta set this camera up. So yeah. Yo, look, I want to show y'all something. You see that right there? Yeah, red. That's the original color of the truck. So that's what I'm trying to get it to be. And I have to admit, if y'all ever do this by hand, it's gonna be a workout because my arms are starting to feel it. But my excitement for this is overdoing it. All right, y'all. Now look at this now. I don't know if y'all can see the difference from before and after, but this is so smooth now. Since I've been saying it, it's smooth, man. You can see there because the original color of this truck is actually red, and this is like the old paint that was covering it. But anyway, it is so much smoother now. Yeah, I can show you a difference from the other side. Now look at this side. It's like raggedy tainted up, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get the whole truck, full body of the truck, you know what I mean? I don't know if I can see my hands, man, but they kind of white, like super white. That's from the old paint and stuff like that. So for like, let's say like kids my age or younger, when you sanding and stuff, and you get that stuff on your hand, uh, that's what that is. That's from the paint and stuff like that. Now, I'm doing this by hand because my pops can't reach he can't reach the automatic thing that you use to sand the truck. So I'm doing this by hand, but I will recommend like using that kind of that automatic thing. Well, you can do what you want. I mean, either way it goes, it's gonna get the job done. But I'm just saying, like it'll make you like work a little easier. It'll be a little easier if you know what I mean to be sanding and stuff like that. All right, y'all. It is the next day. As you can see, I'm inside the clothes. I got the boots on, but it's the next day, and now I'm about to finish the rest of the body. So, got to look, see, this is all kind of smooth, but I still got this bottom part to do. Then I got this side to do right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, y'all. So I believe this is fully done. All this is fully done. It's smooth, very smooth. So now what we're about to do is about to get this hood right here. That's my Pop Nova, but about to get this dude right here, and then I'm probably get these doors and all this stuff. All right, y'all. Did get a chance to record everything because I was so locked in, but this is that. This is kind of almost done. Still got like this little piece left. The rest of this is smooth, like smooth. This right here is smooth. But they gotta check the back of there, but that's smooth. You know what I mean? So yeah, everything on this truck is coming perfectly, and I believe it's in this video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. Hope everybody enjoyed it. It's your boy XO, and I'm out.